Most companies operate on a dangerous assumption that expanding revenue automatically equals success. In reality, unmanaged growth destroys businesses. Surviving the initial expansion phase means you have to execute 3 strict operational objectives at the exact same time. This framework shows the requirements. You must scale volume, repeat your processes reliably, and maintain profitability. These are not optional goals. Missing a single piece means your company has a definitive expiration date. Pushing volume through a broken system is not innovation. It is simply accelerated self-destruction. We can see this proven in the market by looking past the menu of McDonald's and examining it as a mathematical model for survival. Their core economic engine relies on extreme repeatability. They deliver the exact same product millions of times across the globe without variation. This chart illustrates the immediate economic consequence of that system. When a process becomes flawlessly repeatable, the unit cost mathematically drops, and as that unit cost falls, the profit margin is forced to rise. Mastering this specific inverse relationship separates the businesses that scale with healthy margins from the ones that collapse under their own weight. Contrast that exact math with the reality of most growing companies today. Ask a leadership team to prove their true profitability by product line, and they will struggle to give you a straight answer. They are making highly consequential choices based on a mix of gut feelings and entirely disconnected spreadsheets, rather than empirical data. The root cause of this operational crisis is stark. 90% of companies still operate without an enterprise resource planning system. Operating without an ERP creates a massive information gap. Leadership teams unknowingly deploy capital and marketing resources to push products that actually lose money on every sale. The immediate consequence is a rapid bleeding of cash from the business, a leak that executives can neither trace nor explain. A company trying to scale without structured, integrated data is effectively blind. Right now, the corporate world is rushing to adopt artificial intelligence in a deeply flawed attempt to fix this exact blindness. Most companies are trapped using what we call fringe AI. They use it to draft emails, summarize long documents, and automate small, isolated tasks that do nothing to improve actual operations. This visual shows the contrast. On the right is strategic AI, the capability to analyze a company's entire ecosystem in seconds and execute high-level decisions. But the current rush ignores a harsh reality. AI has absolutely zero value without a continuous flow of clean, real-time data feeding into it. An ERP acts as that mandatory foundation, capturing every transaction, fluctuating cost, and inventory movement across the business. For strategic AI to function, it must be built directly on top of this foundation, requiring direct access to the operational truth of your company. Deploying an AI tool without an ERP backbone is identical to hiring a genius data analyst, sitting them at a desk, and handing them a blank piece of paper. The seamless integration of structured financial data and strategic AI is the only viable blueprint for modern scaling. Wiz Asia is the architect of this exact blueprint, operating as an authorized Silver Odoo partner. They implement an AI-powered ERP platform that eliminates disconnected spreadsheets and establishes a single, undeniable source of truth for the entire company. Embedded directly within this platform is Emma, a dedicated AI business agent designed to read and interpret your company's data. Because she is grounded in your real operational metrics, Emma elevates AI from a basic writing assistant into a core driver of cross-departmental execution. The workflow is direct. A leader can ask Emma a highly complex question about the company's current margins using normal, natural language. Emma instantly analyzes the live ERP data and executes concrete actions, adjusting sales parameters, updating accounting ledgers, or reordering inventory on the spot. This permanently replaces the outdated method of managing by intuition with absolute, data-driven visibility. It is time to stop guessing and start knowing. Book a free consultation at wiz.asia. It is the definitive first step towards sustainable, profitable scale.